Top 5 Penultimate Niche Research Episode 23. Let's go. At the end of this video, I'm going to release the names of those who won our last week's giveaway. So if you'd like to find out who won, stick around to the end. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I teach you how to make money on life fast and easy. In today's video, as usual, we're going to continue with the 23rd episode of the top 5 Penultimate Niche Research of the week. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Niche number 1 is LGBT Flag. So this t-shirt says human and is made up of several colorful colors, and I did some research. I searched for LGBT Pride Month, when is it, and it said it starts on June 1st. That was like 5 days ago, and it ends on June 30th. So the whole of this month is LGBTQ month. That means that a lot of people are already searching for those designs. So if you haven't put on your designs yet, you should. So this t-shirt is priced at $14.99, over 281 reviews and over 1,000 sales. Look at that BSR, guys. It's already at 1. It's not even approaching 1 anymore. It's already at 1. And overall trend is up, current trend is up. And the keyword you can use: pride, LGBTQ, clothing, transgender. I'll be careful with these keywords though, guys. You should take a look at the trademark and see if it is trademark, because I am very sure LGBTQ is trademark. So to keep your account in good standing, I'm talking about merch for Amazon. To keep it in good standing, it's preferable you take a look at these keywords. Although you see them here, right? People have used them before. It doesn't guarantee you're using it. So I'm just going to show you a couple of LGBTQ designs that are doing quite well. This one is another one, looks like a rainbow. It says BU, price at $19.99, over 112 sales, over 78 reviews. And this one too is approaching 1, the BSR. Overall trend is up, current trend is up. And the keywords as usual, they're LGBTQ with the rainbow, transgender, and all the like. And this another design from the same brand, Love Wins, with the LGBTQ colors. And another design that is ranking doing well. This one is quite different. These ones are lightsabers. I can see it's coming from it's kind of similar to the Star Wars movie, the lightsabers in the Star Wars movie. That's what, when I see it, that's what comes to mind. So, but as you can see in this description, you'll see nothing related to Star Wars, because obviously Star Wars is trademark. All you'll see is what? A sword. But anyone looking at it, and anyone who is a fan of Star Wars, will know that this looks like the lightsabers. So that's pretty unique, and it's priced at $19.99, over 245 sales, 140 reviews, and overall trend is up, current trend is up. Keywords as usual: LGBTQ, pride, swords, and the like. And our next design, this one right here, is it kind of looks like, it says no one should live in a closet, and it looks like Harry Potter's glasses and that scar on his head. So, but it hasn't sold yet, so I don't think it's doing quite well. And our second niche for the day is Fauci Light. So I took a look at that, I did some research. I was like, what is going on with Fauci? Why is there a t-shirt that exists saying Fauci Light? And I did some research. I came across this article by USA Today. It says, social media users have claimed Fauci's emails contain the origins of coronavirus, which is false, and shows that he knew face masks were ineffective at preventing the virus's spread, missing context. Others have falsely claimed the emails, which the Washington Post and BuzzFeed News obtained through a Freedom of Information Act request, were leaked. Now, the Gateway Pundit, a conservative website that has repeatedly published false claims about COVID-19, says the emails show Fauci lied about the coronavirus treatment that could have saved hundreds of thousands of lives. I was like, wow. Although they say it is false, most of them are false and missing context and all the like. But of course, there are t-shirts that have been produced saying Fauci lied, and it's doing quite well. Already 21 sales right here, price 19.99. And guys, you can see how basic this shirt is, right? It's just plain white text on a black t-shirt, and it has sold over 21 times. Price at 19.99. That's over $5 royalties. So you can see how easy it is to create a t-shirt within seconds and upload it and start receiving royalties from it. That's one of the things that I like about merch from Amazon. And I'll be careful with Fauci because Fauci is someone's name, and you're not supposed to use someone's name without the person's permission. So I'm just showing you what is trending right now, and I'll be careful with the word Fauci because that is someone's name. So here is another T-shirt too. Fauci lied, millions died, and price 17.99 over 11 sales. And the keywords Fauci lied, millions died, and all that. So if you can take a look at this, it's just a basic bullet point description. That's why the keywords show words taken from the title. So this is another design, Fauci. Another Fauci's design, fire Fauci. It's a hashtag, fire Fauci. Fauci, that's the keyword you can use. Fauci anti-Republican apparel fire. And that's it for the second niche. And third niche for the day is unmask our kids. So like I spoke last time, like I said last time about unmaxing kids, parents want to unmask their kids as soon as possible so they can send them back to schools. I'm guessing they're tired of having the kids around, and they also have to work, they have to work to put food in their table, so they can't go to work and leave the kids at home. It's very, very dangerous. So they need kids to be back in school so that they can have someone to put their eyes to watch over them, watch over their kids while the parents are at work. So there's that petition is still going on, and that's what brought about the birth of t-shirts like this that says unmask our kids. So this one is priced $15.99 over 9 sales, and keywords distressed, unmasked children, kids, flags American, and a similar design too. The same niche unmasked our kids with a face mask that has been crossed out. Price 13.80 over 11 sales, and the key was basic because this person knows very well that this t-shirt or the niche is very slippery slope. That's why you see them leaving bullet points as dry as this, basic as this. But at times I think that it's not worth it. Risking an account like this, I think is not worth it at times. There are other general niches that you can go to that are not trademark or does not deal with death as this Omasa Kids deals with the pandemic and COVID-19 and all the like. So it's really up to you if you want to get into this niche, but I wouldn't recommend it. I'm just giving you t-shirt ideas that are trending right now. So our next niche number 4 is Juneteenth, and June 19 is on June 19. So Juneteenth is on June 19, and t-shirts like this are doing quite well. This one is priced at $17.99 or 230 sales. One review, and I think I spoke about this last time. Melanin, 100% foolishness, 0%. Consciousness, 100% intelligence, 100% leadership, 100%. So that's a quite nice and motivational t-shirt for Black Kings, to be specific. And our trend is up. Keywords you can use is Black Juneteenth King, nutritional facts, melanin, father, and other. Oh, I see. So Father Day is coming up. That's why one of the reasons why this t-shirt is. So this t-shirt is a collaboration between or a mixture of two niches. Father's Day and Juneteenth. So I'm guessing that's why it's doing quite well. Over 230 sales, as you can see. And let's take a look at the keywords. Like I said, fathers, African history, Juneteenth, nutritional facts. And looking at a similar Juneteenth t-shirt that is also doing well, this one is priced at 16.95 or over 159 sales and over one review. So it says Juneteenth fresh since 1865. And overall trend is up, current trend is up. As you can take a look at the BSR, a very great fall there, and already approaching one. So the keywords you can use with this is Juneteenth, melanin, Black history, Fresh, ancestor, independence, July, and all the like. So these are similar designs from the same brand. The one says lightly melanated, intensely black. This one hasn't sold. So we're just gonna move over to a similar design that is trending. This one says Juneteenth vibes only, and you have over 265 sales, price at 17.99, and the overall trend is up. Keywords you can use as usual: Juneteenth, melanin, African month, history, American, and all the like. So that was it for that t-shirt. We're entering into our fifth niche. This one is grandpa Father's Day stroke grandpa t-shirt. It says, I'm not retired, I'm a professional grandpa. So this one is kind of funny. Professional grandpa, that's kind of funny. And overall trend is up, current trend is up. You can see that steep fall there. It has been falling and falling, and it's already approaching one. So this is for the grandfathers in your lives. And keywords: grandpa, funny, professional, Father's Day, and all the like. So this is similar t-shirt from the same brand. I have two titles, Dad and Grandpa. So this one is specifically for the grandpas. I know most people do t-shirt designs when they talk about Father's Day. Most of the time they forget stepfathers, they forget grandpas. It's what I've noticed with the designs that I've been coming across. So if you can get into that niche, the grandpa niche, as well as the stepfathers day niche, although the stepfathers are not many, but they are existent. So it's for the fathers is for everyone, including stepfathers and grandpas too. It's not just for the fathers in your life. So if you can include that, sub niche it, then you should be great. This is another Father's Day design. This one is for the dads. It says, I'm not sleeping, I'm resting my eyes. It's kind of funny for tired fathers in your lives, nursing kids, and it's priced at 16.91, over 59 sales, and over 6 reviews. So the BSR overall trend is up, current trend is up. And look at this, it actually flattened at 1. Wow, that's great. And the keywords you can use with this is sleeping, resting eyes, grandfather, grandpa, and the next t-shirt design is, I think I must have shown you guys this one in one of my previous videos, husband, daddy, protector, hero. So it's still doing quite well. That's why I decided to show it to you again. And the overall trend is up, price at 17.99, over 1,000 sales, 451 reviews. And keywords you can use, of course, Father's Day, and a flag, American's flag, husband, daddy, protector, hero. I'm guessing this is for a different shirt, but they just included the keywords in there, and grandpa, of course. So our last niche for the day, our bonus niche, is friends. So if you're a Friends fan, you should be looking out for the Friends t-shirts that are about friends, because a t-shirt like this is very, very easy to create, just friends. And I'll be careful about this niche. The name Friends is trademark, and although this t-shirt is doing quite well, I'll be careful with it because it's a slippery slope. But I'll always do my job to recommend it to you. It's the decision is actually yours to go ahead with making a t-shirt or not. But Friends, the reunion aired on HBO about a week ago, if I'm not mistaken, and it has been trending ever since then. Friends has been a very successful sitcom, and the fans of that sitcom are very happy to see their faves, their favorite actors and actresses reunite after 17 years. So they're going crazy buying shirts like this. So this one has sold over 24 times and price at 19.99. That's around $5 royalty right there. And the keywords they're using is friends, reunion, funny, movies, lover. So I'll be really careful with this niche if you decide to eventually get into it. But it's one of the trending niches for the week. And before we move on to the second part of this video, I just want to quickly mention that upcoming events, of course, Juneteenth, Father's Day, Independence Day. So those are the ones you should be focusing on. Those are one of the biggest events upcoming, and these events have potential for sales. So we're moving over to the second part of this video, which is telling you those who won our last week's giveaway. So congratulations to Nicole Smith and Angelo Rimza. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your last name wrong. Rimza. All right. So congratulations to both of you. I'm going to contact you to claim your prize. And if you're interested in entering our next week's giveaway, there's a link in the description. You can click the first link to check out our next week's giveaway. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, please hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.